Here's how it would work. Someone would bring a form to Kentucky State Police or their local law enforcement agency so they could temporarily turn over their guns and be put on a list so that firearms dealers who do a background check would know not to sell them guns.
I've had 4 people that I am close to commit suicide, 2 that were children, one of whom was 12 and used a gun.
Diane Clark of First Hour Grief Response helps family members who have lost loved ones. And while the number of gun homicides decreased to a little more than 19,000 in 2022, according to the CDC, the number of gun suicides rose yet again to a total of nearly 27,000.
This would be not just a tool for me as a family member, but a tool for me in the current ministry that I carry out.
Clark supports House Bill 460, filed by Louisville Republican Ken Fleming. The temporary measure would automatically end after 90 days. However, someone could request it last longer.
It's been out there for a couple of years, but we got some data in there that's showing that it's starting to be effective, that people are volunteering, that people are coming off the list when they so choose.
Louisville Democrat Lisa Wilner is a co-sponsor. As past president of the Kentucky Psychological Association, she says it would be an important tool for mental health professionals.
Someone who's dealing with suicidal thoughts, dealing with violent impulses, when they're in treatment, they may very well have a suicide prevention plan with their therapist.
Guns are used in more than half of all suicides in the U.S., according to the CDC. And the hope is this bill could prevent a death in the future.
Loss of life affects everyone, individuals, schools, communities, faith-based communities, our everyday neighborhoods. So anytime that we can avoid loss of life, I believe is always a good thing.
Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.